Welcome to today's tutorial, where we will see how to create a pop-out effect in Canva. For this, go to New Design. Here, change the background color. Now bring your image and adjust it at the bottom. Go to Elements tab. Click on Mockups. Here, go to Smartphones. From the various options, choose the one that suits your design. Now duplicate the image and drag and drop it into the mockup. Double-click to rotate and adjust its size. Once done, lock the frame so that it's not disturbed. Now go the other image and remove its background. Resize and place it over the frame. Now go to Positions, put the frame backwards. Crop and adjust the top image. Align it perfectly over the bottom image to create an effect of its coming out. Go to Elements and search for Shadow. Add and adjust it below the phone. Now search for Water Splash. Add the one that matches to our image. Crop and adjust the water splash to get an effect of its coming out of the phone. And we have our final design ready. Subscribe to the channel for more design ideas. See you next time.